Good morning, student. So, student, today we will start our next topic. So, our next topic, it is a task 3 and it is on page number 30. So, what is given on page number 13? On page number 13, given match the following. So, in match the following, given two columns. In first column, questions are given and second column, answers are there. From that second column, we have to find out our answer. So, student, what is given in match the following in questions? Questions are in questions given. What is it? This is the expanded form. In previous period, we seen how to from expanded form how to write numeral or standard number. So here we have to do same thing. So what is the first one? In first question, given 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 2. So student, here see on this is which place? It is a 10,000 place. This is on a 1,000 place. This is a 100 place, tens place and ones place. So we want which number on 1,000 place? 6 number on 1,000 place, 5 on 100 place. This is on a 10,000 place. This is a we want on 1,000 place. This is on a 100 place, tens place and ones place. So like this we have to find out number from that column. So which number is that? See, first we want on a 10,000 place 6. So here see 10,000 place 6 is there? No, here it is a 5. In next 7, but it is on which place? 10 lakh place. We want on a 1,000 place. Next it is there? No, here yes student. So here it is a 6 on a 10,000 place. See, this is on ones place. See, 2 on ones place. Tens place 8 is there. Here also 8 is there. 100 place 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Then see next one, that is 1,000 place 5 is there and here also 5 is there, and 10,000 place 6 is there and here also 6 is there. So this is our answer. Whatever our answer is there, that answer we write here. So what is the answer? That answer is D, 65,382. Okay student, like this we have to solve all our examples. Now we see our next one. Next one, what is there? 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 60 plus 5. So student, here on 10,000 place, which number is there? It is a 4. Then 9 on a 1,000 place. Now here 100 place anything is given? No. Means 100 place what is there? 0. 10,000 place 6 is there and sorry, tens place 6 is there and 5 it is on a ones place. So let we will find it. So 4 we want on a 10,000 place. We will see. See here 4 is there? No. Here also no. Here is there. But here it is 4 on which place? See, ones, tens, 100, 10,000, sorry, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. We want on a 1,000 place. So this one is not there. This one also not. This is also not. This is also not. Yes, this one is there. We will check it. So see, 4 it is on a 1,000 place. Then 9 it is 4 it is on 10,000 place. 9 it is on a 1,000 place. See 100 place here nothing is there. It means 0. And here also 100 place 0 is there. Tens place 6 is there and here also 6 is there. And ones place 5 is there. And here also 5 is there. So what is our answer? Our answer is 49,065. So this is the answer. Okay. Now we see our next question. Next question, what is there? It is 1 on which place? We will check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So we want 1 on a lakh place. Upside we write. It is a lakh place. Now 70. It is on which place? It is on a 10,000 place. We check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So write here 10,000. Next 3 it is on a 1,000 place. So write here 1,000. 100 it is on a 100 it is on a 100 place. See student, now here tens place not given. What is given? That is the ones place. Means on tens place what is there? It is a 0. So like this number we have to find out from that column. So 1 we want on a lakh place. So here it is there, no. Here also, no. Here, no. Here, no. Yes, here it is 1 on a lakh place. See, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and this is a lakh place. So first digit it is on a lakh place. Now we will check remaining digit. Here 77 it is on 10,000 place. Yes, it is also on 10,000 place. Now we see next number 3. 3 it is on a 1000 place, and here also it is on a 1000 place. Next is a 100. 100 it is on a 100 place. So here also 100 place. And see tens place, what is here? Nothing. It means it is a 0. So here also it is a 0, and last is a ones place. What is there? It is a 9, and here also 9. So what is our answer? Our answer is this one. So in front of this question we write answer. What is answer? 1,73,109. Now we see next question. What is the next question? Next question, 2 lakh plus 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 50. So this is on a lakh place. This is on a 10,000 place. This is on 1,000 place. 100 place, anything is there? No. It means here is 0. 10,000 place, 5 is there. And ones place, what is there? Nothing. It means there also 0 is there. So we will find out this number from that column. So we want 2 on a lakh place. So here it is there, no. Here it is there, no. Here, no. Here also no. Here also no. We want 2 on a lakh place. Here also no. Here also no. Yes. Here is there, but it is on a which place? It is on a 10 lakh place. We will check it. See. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, and 10 lakh place. So it is there? No, this is not our answer. We want 2 on a lakh place. So C. Next one. It is a, we will check it. Here also 2 is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and lakh. Yes. So this is on a lakh place. So this is a lakh. Then next, what is here? 2 we want. So 2 it is on 10,000 place. Here also and here also. 4 it is on a 1,000 place. Yes, is it there? 100 place, 0 is there, and there also 0 is there. Tens place, 5 is there, and here also 5 is there. And ones place, 0 is there. So there is a 0. So what is our answer? That one is our answer. 2,24,050. Yes, this is our answer. Now we see next one. What is the next one? Next one is 5,607. So it is 5, it is on a 10,000 place. So write here TH means 10,000. This is on 100 place and this is on a ones place. So student, here 1,000 place anything is there? No. So we write here 0, and 10,000 place also anything, tens place also anything is there? No. So there also we want 0. Now we will find out this number. We want 5 on a 10,000 place. So in first one only 5 it is on a 10,000 place. We will check it. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, and 10,000 place. So first digit our match, we check second digit. 1,000 place nothing is there, means what is there? There is a 0, and here also 0 is there. 100 place 6 is there, and there also 6 is there. Next, tens place 0 is there, and there also 0 is there, and finally 7 is there. So ones place 7 is there. So that is our answer. What is it? 50,607. Okay. Like this we completed. We will complete next sums. So here 2, it is on which place? It is on a 10 lakh place. TL. TL stand for 10 lakh. So this is a 10 lakh. This is on a lakh place. This is on a 10,000 place. This is 1,000 place, 100 place, then tens place and ones place. So which number we want on a 10 lakh place? That is a 2. We will see which from that column which on a 10 lakh place. Which? So here 2 is there? No. Here also 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 no. Yes, it is a 2 is there, but we will check it is on which place. So this is a ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place and 10 lakh place. Yes, here 2 it is on a 10 lakh place. Now we will check our next digit. So what is it? We want 4 on a lakh place. Yes, so here 4 it is on a lakh place. Now next 1 it is on a 10,000 place. So here 1 it is on a 10,000 place, 6 on a 1,000 place, 2 it is on a 100 place, 4 it is on tens place, here also there, and 3 it is on a ones place. So here also 3 is on a ones place. So what is our answer? Our answer is 24 lakh 16,243. Now we will see next sum. And next also, what is there? Here 8 is there. It is a 80 lakh. Means 8 it is on a 10 lakh place. 5 it is on a lakh place. 3 it is on 10,000 place. This is a 1,000 place. And 100 place anything is there? No. It means 100 place 0 is there. And tens place 3 is there. And ones place also 0 is there. So we will check this there. So 8 we want on a 10 lakh place. Here 8 is there? No. Here no. Here also no. Here also no. Here also no. Yes. It is there 8 on a which place? 10 lakh place. Student, don't see only first digit and match it. After that maybe here there is having any other number. So we can check other digits also. So first we check that is on a 10 lakh place. Is it correct? Then we see next one. 5 it is on a lakh place. So here also 5 it is on a lakh place. Yes. Here also 5 it is on a lakh place. See, check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Now next one. 3 on a 10,000 place. Here also 3 on a 10,000 place. Next is a 2. That is on 1,000 place. And here also 2 is on a 1,000 place. 100 place, what is there? Nothing is there. It means we want there 0. So yes, here 0 is there. Then last 3 is there. Yes, tens place 3 is there and ones place 0 is there. So what is our answer? That is our answer. What is the answer? 85 lakh 32,030. Yes. Now we see next one. Next, what is there? 9. It is on a which place? It is on a lakh place. This is on 10,000 place and this is on a ones place. Means 100 place, 1,000 place anything is there? No. 0 is there. Then 1,000 place also, sorry, 1,000 place 0 is there. 100 place also 0 is there. And tens place also 0 is there. Directly what given? Ones place. So we will check it. 9 is there. Here 9 is there. No. Here also 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 no. Then here no. Here also no. Here also no. C. We will check last one. Here 9 is there on a lakh place. And here it is also on lakh place. Next what is there? 10,000 place 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. 100 place, 1,000 place 0 is there. There also 0 is there. Then 100 place, what is there? 0. Then tens place 0 is there and ones place 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. So what is the answer? Answer is 9 lakh 30,000 2. Okay, now we see next one. So what is the next? 70 lakh 1 lakh 70 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 40,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 20 plus 5. So we check it. So 7, it is on a 10 lakh place. It is on 10 lakh place. This is a lakh. This is a 10,000. This is a 1,000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place. So we will check this. 7 we want on a 10 lakh place. So here it is there. No. Yes. Here it is there. It is on a 10 lakh place. We will check. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, and this is on a 10 lakh. Then lakh place 1 is there. There also. Then 10,000 4 is there. Then 3 is there. Yes. 2 is there. 2 is there, and last one is 5. So that is our answer. 71 lakh 43,225. Now last one. So what is the last? Last is 4 lakh 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 10. So 4 it is on a lakh place. So where 4 it is on a lakh place? Yes, here is the 4 on a lakh place. Then 3 on a 10,000. Here also 10,000. Here 4. So here also 4. Then here 2 and there also 2. And lastly 10. So that is our answer. So what is the answer? 4,34,210. Okay student, I hope you understand this. So student, you complete this in your notebook. I will give you this as homework. And student, when you are completing this one, don't match it. So how to complete it? Write down firstly question, then whatever your answer, and last is a whatever answer column is given, but correct answer you have to write in between. Don't match it. Okay student, and complete this neat and cleanly. Okay, we see now. So student, now we see our next topic, and our next topic is greatest number and smallest number. So in greatest number, this topic we seen in 3rd standard also, so student. So now also we will see this topic. So what is the greatest number? Greatest number means here you have to given some digits, and from that digit you have to form greatest number, and we can find out, we can make a smallest number also. So what is it? Suppose greatest number means you have to order digits in a descending order. Descending order means what? Small to big or big to small. So descending order means biggest to smallest. Okay, so descending order means big digit to small digit number. And what is the next? Next is a smallest number. So smallest number means you have to arrange digits or number in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Okay, so here we see example, then you can understand betterly. So first example, so we write any number randomly. Suppose 4, 5, 8, 7, 6. So student, we have to from this we have to make greatest number. So what is the greatest number? From here which number we can make? So we have to arrange these numbers or digit in a descending order. Okay, so we have to arrange this number in descending order. Descending order means big number. So here which digit is big? 4 is big? No. 5 is big? No. 8 is there. We see here more than 8, big than 8. Any digit is there? No. 7 is small and 6 also small. So firstly which number we write here? 8. So 8. So this is the biggest number. Now after 8, which number is big here? That is the 7. Then what is the next? After 7, which number is big? That is the 6. Then after that 5 is there. And last, which is the smallest number from this digit? That is the 4. So what is our number? This number is, what is this number? This number is 87,654. So this is the greatest number. See, we arrange this number in descending order from big to small. Like this, we have to do for a descending order. For smallest number. So same number we can do. Otherwise, we will take next example. Any other example? 6, 8, 5, 3, 1. Okay. So from this we will make smallest number. So students, smallest number means we have to arrange this number from small to big. So here, which one is the smallest digit? 6 is small, no. 8 not, 5 also not, 3 is not. Yes, 1 is a small than all these digits. So firstly we write 1. After that, which is the big than 1 and smallest than this? That is the 3. After 3, which number is there? 5 or 6? Which is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. So we write here 5. Then next is the 6. And here which digit is a big? That is the 8. So we write finally 8. So student, this is our smallest number. Means you have to arrange digits from small number to big number. So which number we get? We get 13,568. Okay. Now we see more example of this greatest number and smallest number. So student, on page number 15, what is it? And when student you are making this number, na, greatest number and smallest number, that time you can't repeat any number, means any number you can't repeat it. One time only you can write that number. So now we see on page number, that is the page number 15. So on page number 50, some digits are given. So we see first one. We will make here column, or we can make here one table. In that table, first column we write digits. So here what is here? Digit. This is the smallest number. Okay student, I know means you know. What is it? It is a number. So student, first digits. First group of digits. What is here? 8, 1, 9, 7, 4. Firstly we write all digits. Then second group, what is there? 2, 5, 6, 3 and 1. What is the next? 7, 2, 5, 4 and 8. Last is, next is 6, 0, 2, 1 and 5. And last is a 5, 3, 7, 4, 0, 8 and sixth one is there. 6, 2, 7. So this is our question. So student, here how many digit number we have to make here? We have to make here 5 digit number. How many digit number we want? We want 5 digit number. So student, we will see here for greatest number. From which number we want? We want number in descending order. that means big to small. So here which one is the big digit? 9 is the big. So we write 9 first. Then next is a 8. 8 is big after 9. Then next what is there? 7. And what is the next? 4. And which one is the smallest number here? That is the 1. So we write 1 last. So this is our greatest number, 98,741. So now we see smallest number. For smallest number we have to write from small to big. So here which one is a small? 1 is small. Then which one is there next? That is the 4. Then what is the next? That is the 7. Then 8 and then 9. Student, you can find out this number from here also. Otherwise, which number is greatest? You have to write opposite of that number. See, here 1 is the last, here 1 is the first. 4 is second last, here is the next number. Like this you can do it. Now we see next one. So next, what we want? Greatest number. So which one is a big digit here? It is a 6. So write here 6. After 6 which is there? 5. Then 3, 2 and 1. So this is the greatest number. So after that we have to write smallest number. So first smallest digit, that is a 1. Then 2, 3, 5 and 6. Make a group. You know how to make a group? Ones, tens, 100. This is in which period? It is on a ones period. So give here comma. So that is the smallest number. Read this number, 12,356. When you are doing these sums or these problems, that time you always read this number. Then next is which one is the smallest greatest digit, biggest digit? That is the 8. Next is a 7. Then next is a 5. Then 4. Lastly 2. So this is the greatest number. Now we want here smallest number. So which one it is? We start from small digit. So which is a small digit? 2. After that which is a small? 4. Then after 4 which is a small? Which one is a big? That is a 2, 4. Sorry. Yes. Then 5 is there. Sorry. Here. 2, then 4, then next is 5, after 5, 7 is there, and lastly 8 is there. Yes? So now we see next one. Next one, which is a small? Student, here 0 is small, but if we write 0 first and then if we write like this, okay, sorry, that is for smallest number. We see firstly greatest number. So here which one is a great? That is a 6. Then next is a 5. Next is a 2. Then 1. And lastly 0. So this is the greatest number. Now we see smallest number. So for smallest number 0 is small. But if we write 0, then which number is there? 1. Then 2. Then 5 and lastly 6, student. So is it smallest number? Yes, is it smallest number? But we want here 5 digit number. So is it 5 digit number? No, because 0 don't have any value. Here 0 don't have any value. If 0 is that side, yes, it is a valuable. But here 0 is there, any value is there? No. So is it 4 digit number? We read this is 4 digit number. How it is? See, this is a ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Means it is a 4 digit number. We can't count. This is on a 10,000 place. So this is not. So how to do this one? So firstly we write 1. Then 0. Then which one is the next number? That is a 2, 5 and 6. So this is the smallest number. If they ask you about 4 digit number, then you can do that. But here what is they ask? They want 5 digit number. And is it 5 digit number? Now next one. Next example also like that. Firstly we write biggest digit, that is the 8, then 7, then what is the next? That is the 4, 3 and 0. So we see smallest number. So here which number is small? 0 is small, but we can write 0 first digit? No. Then it will be, we will get 4 digit number, but here we want 5 digit number. So firstly we write 3, then means after 0 which digit is small, which digit is big, you write that digit first. Here after 0 which digit is big? 3, so that's why we write 3. Then next is a 0, then 4, 7 and 8. So we get this number. Now finally see student, here what is there? Here only 3 digits are there and we want greatest number. So how to make greatest number? Now here we can repeat this digit, but in other cases we can't repeat this, but here only 3 digits are there and we want 5 digit number. So that's why here we repeat number. So here which number will we repeat? We repeat 7. So 7, again 7. See, we want 5 digit number, that is a ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So ones place we write smallest number, that is a 2, tens place 6, 100 place 7 and remaining 2 places we write which digit is a big. Which digit is big? On that places we write that same digit. So what is the number? Number is 77,762. So this is the greatest number and we get here 5 digit number from these 3 digits. Now we see smallest number. So for biggest number, greatest number, what we done? Here we repeat which big digit is there, we repeat that digit. Here, so which digit we repeat? We can repeat here 7? No. Here we will repeat which one is the smallest digit. So here which digit is smallest? That is the 2. If you don't understand, firstly write these places like this. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So ones place which number will be there? That is a 7. Then next 6, 100 place 2 is there and for remaining 2 places write 2. So here we will get our smallest number. So student, when 0 is there, that case also you remember, and when you get only 3 digit, 4 digit, from that you have to make a 5 digit, 6 digit number. That time for greatest number you have to repeat big digit, and for smallest number you have to repeat smallest number. So student, remember it. Now we see next one. Maths homework. Page number 13 in notebook. And student, I say how to complete this one in your notebook. So this is your homework. Complete this neat, cleanly and properly. That's all for today's student. Thank you and have a nice day.